Hello everyone, in the course of this video I'm going to be solving this question. The question says which of the following gases could be collected by downward displacement of air? And you can see the options here. Now my solution, I've written out some things in order not to waste too much time. It says upward delivery, downward displacement, downward delivery, upward displacement. Now what do we mean by upward delivery and downward displacement? Now this term is used for what? Lighter gases. Gases that are less dense than air. And remember, the molecular mass of air is 28.8 gram per mole. And the question says which of the following gases could be collected by downward displacement of air? So when we say upward delivery, we're also talking of downward displacement of air. So therefore, in order to solve for this question, we have to calculate the molecular masses of each of these elements or compound. And the one that is lower, or rather the lowest than 28.8 is our answer. But before that, I want to still explain this term, upward delivery and downward delivery. When we say upward delivery, it means the gas is collected upward, while downward displacement, the air is displaced downward. And this method is used for what I said, for lighter gases. While downward delivery, the gas is what? Delivered downwards, while the air is displaced upwards. And it's for heavier gases, gases that are denser than air. Now let's quickly go straight to solving of this question. Now chlorine being 35.5 times 2, this will give us 71.0 gram per mole. And this is out, is more than 28.8. Hydrogen, we have 2 times 1, which is 2 grams per mole. Alright, this one is in. Hydrogen chloride, hydrogen will have what? 2 plus 35.5, which will give us, okay, sorry, not 2, 1, my bad, 1. This will give us 36.5 gram per mole. This is out, is more than 28. And sulfur oxide, we have 32 plus 16 times 2. So you can see, this will give us 32 plus 32, which will give us 64 grams per mole. This is out. So the answer to this question is what? Hydrogen. Why? Because it is what? Less dense than air. The molecular mass is lower than that of air. So it is collected by upward delivery because it is a lighter gas. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.